Welcome to an episode of Paul's Workshop, and today we have something a little bit different on the bench. We have a boombox, and it's been actually picked it up for $5. This was like a name your price garage sale. I went in, I said, "Hey, I'll give you $5." Took it. It's been sitting in the garage here for a couple years, so I went to clean it up. It semi works, but there's some issues, so I want to clean it up.
Endangering people. The whole means of doing business in a corrupt nation becomes so problematic that that country's economy just can't even operate as efficiently as possible. I mean, these are sort of basic.
Okay, so everything's going to need a cleaning. You hear static and audio cutting in and out, so that has to be dealt with. From what I understand, this is a Sanyo manufactured radio. Boombox. Okay, to gain better access, I took this apart, and it separates in two halves. The front half and the back half. And there's these two connectors that you just unplug that allows you to take the front part from the back part. So I'm going to clean all the dust out of here. I'm going to try to clean up that clear plastic that's in the front there. We do have some damage, it looks like, here to the handle. So I'm gonna take a look and see if there's anything I can do with that. Now, somebody has definitely been in here because there's a screw missing from here. There were two screws missing from the back as well. But I want to take these speakers and these tweeters out, and I'm gonna wash, I think I'm gonna wash the face of this in some water, or at least get the speakers out so I can clean the grills. So that'll be the next thing I do. So here's our handle here. We have it's bent. So I'm going to take this in. I'm going to clean it up in the sink there and then try to straighten that handle out a little. And then you got these pieces here that go back in it. I always take pictures of everything too as I take it apart so I can go back to it and hopefully get it back together. But all right, so this is next to get its bath. Okay, now we're looking at the other side here. We have this part out. This is the chassis now attached to the back, and I'm kind of at this juncture here. Do I want to remove this from the backing to get that really cleaned or not? I know I'm probably going to need to change this belt and do a little servicing on the tape mechanism. I'm not going to go too crazy with it. Oh look, there's a little bit of tape in there. But yeah, I'm not sure if how far I want to go, but I do think this needs to come out of the chassis. Okay, this got a good cleaning. And speakers are back in. You can see major improvement here. Got a lot of the grunge and stuff out of it. And we took the plastic dial screen and polished it as best as we could with some Novus. I'm going to glue that back into place. And and then we'll continue. Okay, next up is the knobs here. While that acrylic cover for the dial, while that dries with the super glue, we're going to soak these knobs in some soapy water, get the grease off them, and then this paint should just kind of scrub right off. It did off the housing, so that should be easy to clean. But we're going to soak those for a little while in some soapy water. All right, here we are, and this is as far as I'm going with this. When I started disassembling inside, and when I got to the tape deck, it was going to take more disassembling to really get in there and remove it from the backing. And I didn't want to go down that avenue, so I stopped, and I just cleaned it out with blowing out some dust and some Q-tips and things like that. Got some belts from eBay, replaced the belt, lubricated the gears, so that works well. You see the knobs cleaned up, the buttons and these controls here that we soaked. Overall, she looks good. I mean, we straightened out the bent handle, and it plays. I'd love to play music, but I'll get copyright struck. But yeah, so this boombox, the Sears boombox, the only thing I have the little, like a bright fluorescent orange sticker that went in the center. I have to restick that in the center of the tape deck, but overall, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. The glass is glued back in, or the plastic is glued back in. cleaned
All right, I
up.
hope you all liked this cleanup episode. Again, we didn't dive in as deep as we could have. I'm still a little bit chicken to take apart mechanisms and things, especially if they're working. If it's not working, I'll go down that adventure road. But I'm not going to take apart something that's working for the sake of, cleaning it and all that. If I can get it clean from where it sits, lubricate it a bit, and it operates, I'm happy with that. But so there it is, the $5 Boombox. Hey, if you like what we do, subscribe, give us a like, tell your friends. If you don't like what we do, subscribe, tell your friends, give us a like. We'll catch you next time on Paul's Workshop.
You heard it, folks. If you've been injured, call and find out how much you qualify for. Call 800-718-3030. That's 800-718-3030.